In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Jira. We're going to walk through the main areas of the Jira interface so you understand where things live and how to navigate them confidently. Make sure you're logged into your Jira account and then start on the For You page. This is your personal home base in Jira where you'll see work and projects that are most relevant to you. On this page, you'll notice different tabs that help you filter the issues and items you see. First, look for the section that's highlighted on your screen and click it. This is usually where Jira shows a quick summary or recommended items, helping you jump straight into what matters. Next, click on the Worked On tab. This view shows issues and tasks you've recently updated or interacted with. It's especially useful if you're picking up where you left off yesterday or earlier in the week, because everything you've been touching recently will appear here. Now switch to the Viewed tab. This shows issues you may not have edited, but have opened and looked at. It's handy when you remember checking something but can't recall the exact project or key. This tab gives you that quick history. Then go to Assign to Me. This is one of the most important views in Jira. It lists all issues where you are the current assignee, essentially your personal to-do list. Many people start their day by reviewing this tab to prioritize their work. You'll also see a Starred section. Click there to view anything you've starred or favorited, such as important boards, filters, or projects. Starring items is a simple way to keep your most frequently used views one click away. Next, click on Boards. Boards are where Jira visualizes your work, often in columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. From here, you can switch between different boards your team uses. On this page, follow the highlighted areas to open the available options. You may see a menu or drop-down with more actions related to spaces or projects. Click on the More Actions for Spaces option when it appears. This is where you can manage or create spaces and templates that structure your work. Within this menu, follow the highlighted controls again to open the template section. Click on Custom Templates. These are templates tailored to your organization's needs and can be reused to quickly spin up new projects or spaces with consistent structure. You'll also see standard Jira templates grouped by use case. Click through Software Development, Service Management, Work Management, Product Management, and Marketing. Exploring these categories shows you how Jira can adapt to different types of teams and workflows, from engineering to support to business operations. Next, follow the highlighted elements to move toward the Help and Customer sections. You'll be guided to Jira's Help Center, where you can access support resources, documentation, and sometimes a customer portal if your organization uses Jira Service Management. From there, continue clicking the highlighted areas to open the Customer section. This area is typically where support teams manage customer requests and communications. It can show you a list of customers or organizations interacting with your service. Finally, move to the top or side of the screen and click on Settings. This opens the configuration area, where you can adjust how Jira behaves for your account or, if you have the right permissions, for projects and spaces. Follow the last highlighted control inside Settings to see additional options or advanced configuration. By the end of these clicks, you've seen how to navigate your For You page, manage your own workload, explore boards and templates, access the Help Center and customer views, and open Jira's settings. This foundation will make it much easier to learn deeper features and tailor Jira to the way your team works.